Today's lesson is on removing discontinuities. So, specifically, we're going to be looking at a removable discontinuity, which is called a hole. So, if we have a point of discontinuity, so if we have a hole, we can remove the discontinuity by redefining the function without that point in the domain. Okay, so let's look at this scenario. If the function f is continuous for all reals, and f of x equals 4x squared minus 25 over 2x plus 5. So that function is continuous when x does not equal negative 5/2. So then what we need to figure out is what is f of negative 5/2. So that equals what? Okay, so let's go back to this function. 4x squared minus 25 over 2x plus 5. So let's see what's happening here. Let's factor it. This is the difference of two perfect squares. So 2x plus 5 times 2x minus 5 over 2x plus 5. Okay, so these cancel. So that means there's a hole. There's a hole at x equals negative 5/2. So that's what this was saying at the beginning. This function is continuous when x doesn't equal that. So if we want this whole function to be continuous and we have a hole, all we have to do is fill the hole. So to do that, we have the x value, we just need to find the y value. So in our function, because these canceled out, I'm looking at, think of it as y equals 2x minus 5 left over. And we have the x value where the hole is. We just need to plug it in to find the y value to fill the hole in. So y equals 2 times negative 5/2 minus 5. So that's negative 5 minus 5, so negative 10. So if there's a hole, a discontinuity at negative 5/2, we're going to remove the discontinuity by filling in the hole, which is at negative 5/2, negative 10. So all we're doing, finding holes and filling them in, finding that y value. Okay, next question is asking the same thing, just in a different format. So I'm going to give you this piecewise function. So f of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 15 all over x plus 5. And that's for all values except when x cannot equal negative 5. So what we need to do, finish the piecewise function to make this continuous. We have a discontinuity, we need to make it continuous. So find b when x equals negative 5. So this is doing the same thing we just did in that last problem. So let's look at that top function right here. Let's factor it. So that's going to be x plus 5 times x minus 3 over x plus 5. So these cancel. There's that hole. Yx can't equal negative 5. And if I'm left with y equals x minus 3, to fill the hole, I just need to find the y value when x is negative 5. So that is negative 8. So that is what we would have to plug back into the piecewise function. We would have to say that at negative 5, it would have to equal negative 8, and that is filling the hole. So there is your full lesson on removing discontinuities, basically just filling that hole. Good luck with your lesson.